Hey guys, welcome back to the Concussion Army, and today I am on my server, in the video showing you my server, or what I was going to do with it, telling you what to do to be an admin and whatnot. It's not even very much to be an admin. You don't have to pay or anything. Go ahead and watch that video if you want to know. Yeah, that was my problem. I'm going to have to get a plugin to do that because, I only have, so far, this is the safe spawn area right here. I wasn't making this to be the edge of the map, but I'm pretty sure around that is the edge of the map. So that's going to be the first plugin I actually get. And I'm going to get that later in this video. I just got halfway through to getting almost to there. Don't know how much I'm going to have. I think I'm only... Yeah, so I'm going to have to do just a simple free credit thing because I already am getting 400, and then I'm going to do the plugin for the unlimited thing. Then I'm going to get enough to go for enough credits to keep the server up at 5 people max for about, I don't know, a week or 2. And then after that, I'll actually get a huge one for just keeping the server up. And I have to do this. Hold up. I'm just going to build up, actually. No. I want them to be even on the ground. Yeah. So I just have to... I'm just going to dig over here a little until I'm even with this guy. Okay. So this is going to be a Factin server. Again, I'm going to tell you that you should probably watch the video about this server. It's already been uploaded, so hopefully someone does see that before the video ends and joins, so I can make them an admin. Oh, I have hiccups. Yeah, okay. So we're going to do that. And I think it's right here. Okay, right here. Crap. Okay. I just have to do it over here now. And this is the last place I have to do it. I think it is, okay. I have to dig through this entire mountain, really. I just have to get down in here. And then go like this. Okay. Oh, God. Hiccup. Not hiccup, I mean sneeze. Ugh. Okay. I'm just gonna go like this. Spawn miner. Oh, lag for a second there. And I'm the only person on right now, obviously. I'm gonna see if my brother will get on whenever I actually do everything, and he's gonna be like, "Oh yeah, I'm an admin. I totally worked really hard for this because, yeah." He was like, "No, I don't want to play." And then I was like, "Can you please help?" And he's like, "No." So this should be the border of spawn. I'm like sure of that. Server closed. Crap, what did I do? I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I think I'm back. Yep, I'm good. So, okay. I think we have done the entire spawn. This is going to be how big spawn is. This is the middle, which is where you're going to spawn, so, yeah. Now, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this, actually. Obviously, I'm going to have to clear it out. Or not clear it, but flatten it. But, I'll just flatten it, worry about it later. So first, I'm going to get rid of all the mounds, and then I'm going to fill in all the pits. So, yeah. Okay. This is gonna probably take a while, so I'm gonna be talking. So first things first, I just want to talk about if you do join this, like what type of stuff the admins will be able to get. Obviously, you'll be able to do /game mode and all that. You can do, hold up, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure you can do like, I don't know how it works. Enchant, yeah. Enchant. What does this do? Usage dot commands dot enchant dot usage. Okay, I don't really know how to use that. You can do a lot of stuff. Hold up, I'm gonna do slash, I think, add, oh, I don't know what admin is. Is it AD? Who knows? I'm just gonna do /help, I guess. Go through all the stuff that you can do. You can do let's see. Oh God. General blocked command blocks, commands, back, teleport. Oh, you can do /back if you're a rank or admin. I'm gonna put it into ranks too. If I ever do ranks, do. I'm probably not gonna really. I don't know, because I don't want to make ranks cost money. But I do want to set up ranks somehow. I wonder if there's a way you can check how much time someone has played. Like /time or /list. I have no clue. Okay, that's just people /time. That's just doing that. I need that. /help. Extract plugin, game load, DreamSeed give. You can give yourself stuff, I think. Ooh. I don't know if regular people can do /give. That would be bad. Hold up. I'm actually gonna test that out with someone later. Hopefully someone does join in the next 2 hours, because it's gonna take me a while to build all of this. I might have to go and eat before I do finish. So, yeah. But I need to stay on so that I can see if they're there, and then, yeah. Hold up, actually. Who knows? I'm actually gonna go see if my neighbor can play not too long from now. Because it's only 5. I'm sure he's home. Unless he's like at a tournament or something. Yeah, this is a lot to clear out. This entire section right here is up, but I also have to fill in that and some of this and like all that. So it's kind of, yeah, I probably need to get my brother to play or something. So he's probably not gonna play though, because he's playing with his friends on stuff. It's gonna go back and fill these in, actually, because it's not flat if there's holes in it. Okay, and go ahead and I'm debating whether or not I should do it on settings to where whenever I click the screen it shows you where I'm clicking, because that kind of annoys me in videos, but it also helps me like identify things when I'm trying to show you something. Of course, whenever I'm actually in Minecraft, it shows the thing around where where I'm looking or whatever. So that kind of helps, but still, I have to sometimes get out of the game and then you can't see what I'm doing whenever I'm out of the game. So I could just turn it on for videos while I'm not playing Minecraft. I might continue playing some, no, I got rid of that. Who knows? I might play Pixel Gun at some point. Well, on camera at least, because why not? Say camera, but it's really just a screen recorder. This is taking a long time. How much progress have we gotten done? Not very much. I'm gonna feel like really relieved whenever we finally get this all done. I'll be back whenever I'm done with yeah. Never mind. I'll most likely forget if I have something that long. For some reason, like my old internet, it took 2 hours to upload a 9-minute long video. That video about the server, it was 9.5 minutes long, I believe. It only took like 16 seconds. And we got new internet not too long ago, like, I don't know, like 2 weeks or 1 week ago. And ever since then, I've been able to upload videos like, if you saw the Skyblock video, I'm actually not going to be doing any more of that because most of my videos now are just going to be on this server and maybe some like other servers like factions or things like that. And yeah, whenever I do actually get this up and running, I'm probably going to turn it to, as I said in the video about this, I'm going to turn it up to 10 until I actually get more people that watch my videos and more people that actually are gonna get onto this. Of course, only like 3 people are gonna watch this video, so it's gonna be all my friends too, because I have no friends. I mean, I have no life. I mean, I have no... I'm bad. I mean, I have no followers. No! Oh my god, subscribers. I have no subscribers. I'm very bad at this. I honestly don't know what to talk about. We still have so much to go. I feel like I've gotten a lot of progress done, even though I haven't really. Okay, just keep on mining. I really need to get that unlimited world, like, right now. But I can't. I'll just work on spawn for now, and then the end of the video, yeah. I need to actually, no, because, never mind. Here. I wonder how far. I think we're just gonna build it to around this height, the actual thing. Yeah, that seems like a good height, because whenever you fall off, then you probably won't take that much fall damage. No, actually, you might take some fall damage. I'll put slime blocks around the edge, I guess. Okay, here we go. I think that, yeah, I'll have enough for another day if I get that plugin and I actually get the thing. But I'm gonna end up downloading some apps and running them, because those will give you like 30 each. And truly, that's pretty good. That's 3 days just for downloading an app and then running it, and then most likely deleting it, and that's only in like a minute. So I guess you could, if you wanted to, just farm that if you had a small server. And yeah, I'm very close to being done, so yeah. By the way, whenever you guys spawn in, it's not gonna be creative. I changed it to or I did /game mode 1. And I need to check that because I know that only admins can do a lot of these things, like game mode and whatnot, but I don't know if give is something that only admins can do. I'm gonna have to check what all non-OPs can do. Technically, OP stands for overpowered, but on servers like this, it means operator. Like just servers, OP means operator, but still kind of seems weird because OP is supposed to be overpowered, and yeah. Oh wow, we are actually very close to being done. We only have that little part of the mound over there. And then we'll be done with mining, and then we can fill all of that up. Okay, over here. I've done pretty big projects, like probably bigger than this in survival, so I'll be able to do this, except half of those were with my brother, and he could help, but I don't know why he doesn't want to help. Okay. I forget where I put the spawn. Who knows? think it was atop of a hill, but I don't know. Just like a small mound, actually, not a hill. I don't know. At the end of this video, or in the next video, I should have unlimited thing, because this is just going to be building the spawn for it. The next thing I have to do is, I don't know what I'm going to actually do. This is just going to be building like a little bit of the spawn, because the spawn, it's going to take me forever to build a spawn. Because if I'm going to build it that big, I mean, I don't have to fill it in, but I have to do at least 2 layers everywhere. That way people can't like stand on top and then break it, and then it would have to. Also, I have to know how to make it to where you can't break blocks within the protection zone. I'll look into that. That's probably a plugin too, but by the time this is up and running, I'll probably have all the plugins I need, like admin plugins, and factions, or obviously the factions plugin. It's gonna be a faction server. Yeah. I think filling in might actually be the tedious part of flattening, because you just have to go layer after layer after layer after layer after layer after layer after layer. Especially whenever you're trying to fill in an entire hole, like not just one of these little dips in the ground, but like whenever you're trying to fill in like a 20 block deep crater. That is the worst. Because it's just like so tedious work. Yeah. I'm just gonna look at this real quick. So we have a snow biome over there, and then I believe we have an ocean over here. Hold up. I can't see because I can't go out of the map right now. Or the limits. It's like, oh yeah, we have a limit to our map, and the limit is only like, oh, I see. I'm at like the edge of the map. That's why. If I go over here, I guess, then we'll do that. No, but over here. I don't know which side it's on. This side? Yeah, maybe this side. Who knows? All I know is that I need to fix that, or else there's gonna be not an unlimited world. Except for the fact that in factions, people tend to build bases that are at like 3 million, so. Oh, this is gonna be a really big thing. This is 3 blocks. Oh my god. Okay. Whenever I do make my faction, though, I think our base is going to be under the spawn. That should totally be what it is. That way nobody can raid us. Oh, that would be stupid, though. I might actually make trades under there, though. Like if we're trading. I just need to set up kits. I just thought about that. There's so many plugins I need to make a faction server, and it's like really weird thinking about all of it. It's like, oh yeah, well there's kits, and then it's like, oh wait, I need to get kits. Because I'm pretty sure, yeah, they only have slash kick and kill, which can only be used by admins. I don't know what type of kit we're gonna have. We're obviously gonna have the Pepper kit for my dog Pepper, and it's just gonna be leather armor. But you're gonna have like infinity speed because my dog is crazy. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm really cold right now. I don't even know why I have my fan on right now though, because I'm under a blanket too. I'm still cold. Ugh. Okay, let's see. I'm actually doing pretty good. Just need to put in the rest of this, and I think I'll be good. I don't know what design I'm actually gonna go for the spawn area, because you have to have the drop off right at the protection line, obviously. Because if you didn't, then you could just be at the edge of the thing, and then like they could kill you, and it would not be good. I honestly think I need to know how to do whatever. Hold up, if I set the world spawn right here for now, just go up here and set it up here. Slash set world spawn. Then this should be right then, because yeah, that just means, okay, hold up. So this should be 32. Okay, yeah, I got it right. I'm good. I'm gonna finish filling in this hole actually before I do anything else. I really need help for this. I'm just thinking about how big this is gonna be. I have done a project like pretty big before because I did it on a flat map, thankfully. I did like a about yeah, probably bigger than this. I mined all the way down 3 blocks into the void. I know 4 blocks in like an area this big. It was extremely bad. Took forever. Why am I not filling this up with dirt? Who cares? It'll turn into dirt whenever there's stuff on top of it. I think that was my brother. Okay, let's fill this up. Okay. Well, we only have this much left to do plus all of that, so I guess, and that, and oh my god. I'll be real quick. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so my brother doesn't want to join, and I was basically just gone for like 3 hours. So yeah. I have to fill all of this in, and yeah, we still have a lot left. Holy crap. I really need my brother's help, but why would he help me? Obviously, he just wants to do his own thing. Yeah. Let's do this. And please, if you want to see the server get better, then donate. I mean, not really gonna say anything more than that. You don't really have to donate. In fact, I don't need you to donate whatsoever. I'm just saying, it would make things easier, but I don't really care whether or not you donate, so yeah. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. My parents are watching a movie right now. It's quite loud. You probably can't hear it, but I don't know. I'm just gonna continue doing this while I talk. I'm trying to think of something. So, I have no clue actually whether or not anybody has been on this yet. I doubt it. If I do /list /list, yeah. I probably should have gotten Unlimited World, but it's fine because I don't really have to right now. I'm not working on anything at the time. How long do we have to go? I don't want to pause it because I'm going to end up not like ever coming back again till a long time from then, but also I want to get finished with stuff and get the plugin and whatnot. I can fill this in, I guess, and then, okay, whenever I fill this in, I'm gonna pause it, and I'm just gonna go on the thing that I need to complete to get credits, and I'm gonna do that while I'm watching my brother play stuff, I guess. Then I'm gonna come back, use all of those credits, or not all of them, but some of them. And then I'll still have enough for 2 days left, but obviously I'm just gonna download an app or something for 60 credits, I guess. Don't know how far up they go. And then I'll be able to have it for a little bit longer, or not a little bit, but actually quite a while, because if you think about it, 1 week is pretty long if you're just making something. And then after that, I don't know why I'm filling it up with grass. I know it'll like turn into dirt whenever it's been on it for a little bit, but seriously, it just looks weird whenever you're doing it. If you guys want to see more big projects on this server, I'm probably going to be updating the spawn quite a lot. Hopefully I can get some admins on so that they can help me build things. Okay. Doing that. This is good. Just keep on going. And I'm pretty sure I still need to check whether or not PRNG/give in non-OP mode. So this is spawn, that's all I know. That little pillar, it is the, like right on top of it is where you spawn if you spawn in, so that's where I'm gonna make the thing. Then we have to make the entire area. We have to make the shop area, which I don't know how that's gonna work yet. I think I have to do a plugin for that. So I'll do that later. I have to do economy, and then I think I have to do like a shop plugin. So yeah. I have to have like 5,000 credits to get a regular thing going, which is quite a lot if you think about it. If you do want to create a server like this, just download the Elite Servers app, and it's free. Yeah. I have not paid a single cent for this server. I've had it for about, I want to say 8 hours. Of course, you don't really need, as long as it's a small server, you don't even have to do that much to keep it up and running. But once it's a bigger server, you still don't have to do that much, because if you have a bigger server, that means you have probably gotten ranks set up and everything, and people buy ranks and use that money to buy credits. I think you get the idea. Okay. I really need to set up kits, but I don't know how much credits that is. I want to like get a kit starter or something. That'd be funny. Of course, I don't know how it, like, who knows. I'm just gonna keep on going through this. Whew. This is gonna actually take about 3 times longer than I thought it was, because how much we still have left. We have to get like all of this done. Who knows? It might not take as long as I think. But yes, also, and if you do join within first 5 players to join, I'm gonna keep it at 5 because 5 seems like something that would still take forever, because I have like nobody that watches my videos except for my friends. Hopefully I would actually be fine if my friends watch my videos, because then they could all be admins. I'll probably make them admins anyway, but yeah. This is gonna take a long time. I'm trying to think of what I should do though, because I know I'm gonna probably, I don't know, think I'm gonna put slime blocks around the edge so that whenever they jump off, it won't hurt them. Or I could do like just a little bit of water or something. Who knows? I'll figure it out whenever I actually get to that part. Okay, so that's good. Now we just have to add this layer. I have no clue how long this is going to take. Probably a very long time. I think I'm going to end the video with me getting the unlimited world, because that would be great. It's going to take a while anyway to finish the thing to get me the things, the credits. Of course, I don't really have to do anything because there's a mode on it to just do like auto, whatever, where it just like does it for you. So I could just sit there doing nothing, waiting for me to level up. I think it was level 10 you had to get to on the game. And then it would give you 450 or 400